Welcome to Teacher K's classroom. Today we're going to talk about the 5 interrogative pronouns. A pronoun takes the place of a noun in a sentence. An interrogative pronoun takes the place of the subject in a question. The 5 interrogative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and what. They are the WH question words. Who is used when we want to know about the subject. For example, who is scratching the ground? The answer, the hen is scratching the ground. The interrogative pronoun whom is used to talk about the object of the subject. Whom is the chick calling? The chick is calling the hen. The chick is doing the action, calling, and the object that the chick is calling is the hen. Whose is used to ask about ownership. Whose comb is red? Dino's comb is red. Dino owns his red comb. It's very bright. Which is used to talk about one of a choice. Which chick is eating grass? The answer, the black chick is eating grass. Out of a group or even two things, you can use which when you have a choice. What is used to ask about a specific thing. What are interrogative pronouns? Interrogative pronouns are the WH question words that are used to replace a subject or an object in a question. Thank you for visiting Teacher K's classroom. Please click like and subscribe so my chickens keep laying eggs.